Selena Gomez just turned 34, and her husband made sure it felt like something out of a movie. Gomez and Benny Blanco spent her birthday on a romantic getaway through Italy, and according to a source who spoke with People, Blanco was deeply involved in every detail of the planning. The couple stayed at Il Barro, the Ferragamo family's exclusive Tuscan estate, where they went horseback riding, played casual games of Scrabble, and took part in a hands-on cooking class, making fresh pasta, stuffed squash blossoms, and eggplant parmesan completely from scratch. Here's a detail that adds even more meaning to the trip. Blanco, who has a well-documented fear of flying, once again crossed the Atlantic by boat just to reach Gomez, who's currently filming season 6 of Only Murders in the Building in London. According to the source, that same level of effort carried straight through into how he planned her birthday, adding that going out of his way to make things special for her is simply who he is. The celebration continued with stops in Bologna, where the couple dined outdoors beneath the city's historic porticos at Trattoria della Santa, sharing dishes including mushroom tagliatelle, buffalo cheese ravioli, and tortelloni with butter and sage. The restaurant's owner later described the couple as warm and genuinely kind, praising both their appreciation for the food and their down-to-earth demeanor. For the actual birthday moment, Gomez skipped the traditional cake entirely, instead blowing out a candle atop a large tray of tiramisu with Florence's iconic Ponte Vecchio bridge in the background. Blanco shared his own heartfelt tribute alongside the photos, writing that he'd carry her wherever she wants to go, forever. So here's a question worth asking: why does this specific relationship keep resonating so strongly with fans, beyond just the luxury of the trip itself? Part of it is the consistency. From driving cross-country to see her, to sailing across an ocean multiple times, to planning an entire birthday trip down to the smallest culinary details, Blanco's actions have repeatedly matched his words. It's the kind of steady, hands-on effort that feels far more meaningful than grand gestures alone. The trip also included plenty of playful, candid moments, including a piggyback ride through Italian streets and a video of Gomez catching a quick nap in the car, which Blanco jokingly called one of his favorite ways to see her. It's a nice reminder that the most romantic gestures aren't always about spectacle. Sometimes they're about someone simply choosing, again and again, to show up. So, what's the most thoughtful birthday gesture a partner has ever done for you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look into Selena and Benny's Italian getaway, subscribe for more celebrity relationship updates.